Traveling with a baby can be a daunting task, but with the right essentials, it can be stress-free and enjoyable for everyone. We'll discuss the crucial items to pack to ensure the baby's comfort and convenience throughout the journey. From choosing the perfect diaper bag to packing weather-appropriate clothing and essential toiletries, we've got you covered. We'll also explore the importance of entertainment and comfort items to keep the baby engaged and relaxed during travel. By the end, you'll have valuable insights on how to make your next trip with your baby a smooth and memorable experience. When traveling with a baby, a functional and spacious diaper bag is a non-negotiable essential. It should be able to accommodate all the necessary baby items such as diapers, wipes, extra clothing, bottles, and more, while remaining convenient for travel. Look for a bag with multiple compartments for easy organization and quick access to essentials. Consider features like insulated bottle pockets and a changing pad for on-the-go convenience. The right diaper bag can make a significant difference in keeping all the baby essentials well organized and easily accessible during travel, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free journey. Packing appropriate clothing and accessories for your baby is vital to ensure their comfort during travel. It's essential to pack weather-appropriate outfits to keep your baby comfortable in varying conditions. Additionally, bringing blankets, bibs, and burp cloths is crucial to manage potential spills and messes effectively. Consider the duration of the journey and pack enough clothing to cater to unexpected situations. Accessories like hats and mittens can provide added protection in cold weather. By packing the right clothing and accessories, you can ensure that your baby remains cozy, clean, and content throughout the journey. When traveling with a baby, packing baby-specific toiletries and feeding supplies is essential for catering to the baby's hygiene and feeding needs on the go. Ensure to pack an ample supply of diapers, wipes, and baby wash to maintain the baby's cleanliness. Additionally, bring along feeding supplies such as bottles, formula, and baby food to address the baby's nutritional requirements during the journey. It's crucial to anticipate the baby's needs and be prepared with the necessary toiletries and feeding essentials to ensure a seamless and comfortable travel experience for both the baby and the parents. Packing entertainment and comfort items for your baby is essential to ensure their relaxation and amusement during travel. Comforting items like pacifiers can help soothe the baby during the journey, while toys can keep them engaged and entertained. Additionally, a portable baby crib or carrier provides a familiar and secure space for the baby to rest or nap comfortably. These items play a crucial role in keeping the baby content and relaxed, ultimately contributing to a smoother travel experience for both the baby and the parents. In conclusion, packing the right essentials is paramount for a smooth and enjoyable travel experience with a baby. Ensuring that you have all the necessary items to cater to the baby's needs can significantly contribute to a stress-free journey. Additionally, when traveling with infants, it's important to consider factors such as maintaining a consistent feeding and sleeping schedule, prioritizing baby's comfort, and being prepared for unexpected situations. By being well prepared and organized, parents can make traveling with infants a positive and enjoyable experience for the entire family.